Day 22. Tak senang nak bangun 3 pagi. Tapi nak Sri Budaya, tak nak Sri Budaya. Wan, pinggang okey? Ha?
Sakit je.
Sebab apa?
Selah.
Oh my god, Michelle, you know I went to the ladies' toilet. I was looking for you.
Jadi begini, Tanya was looking for you.
Kena tahan polis.
Okay guys, ready? Day 22, let's go!
Apa ni?
Tu special request from Michelle, dia nak pergi.
Lari tu lari juga. Solat jangan lupa.
Hari ni, okay.
Fair enough.
Okay. Okay. Route hari ni okay.
Okay.
Pace?
Pace 5 flat. Oh, scam.
Jason?
Kena tipu ni tempat.
Noel? Route ni okay?
Okey.
Okay, soalan biasa.
Biasa.
Atamas, Subang, Saujana
Kedebuk.
dengan sini, Kedebuk.
Rasa kedebuk pula.
Paling teruk.
Kedebuk teruk. See you next week.
See you next week ah. Tak menyesal lah route ni. Okay, okay.
Yes. Bye.
Michelle, route mana paling teruk?
I feel like this one is worse.
Aku berhenti sebelum spender.
Bila ni, traffic ujung.
Aku mengelat.